Hi everyone. So we have learned so far about the life cycle of a butterfly, the life cycle of a frog, and you have been learning the parts of a plant. So today we are going to learn the whole life cycle of a plant. So you've learned about the seeds. Seeds are how plants start to grow. So in order for our seeds to grow, they need to be put into soil. Soil is just another name for dirt. So we put our seeds in dirt. We can put them in dirt in a pot, or we can have a garden that has dirt in it, or we can just dig a hole in our backyard. There's usually dirt out there, and we put our seeds in, we cover them up, and seeds need a few things to grow. They need the sun, and they need water. So when they are watered and they have enough sunlight, they'll start to grow. And they grow into a little sprout. And the sprout pops out of the soil and it continues to grow. It still needs more sun, still needs more water, and it will continue and continue to grow. And our sprout eventually turns into, we can call this a seedling or just a regular plant. So our sprout grows into a regular plant, and eventually on our regular plant it will have more sunlight, it will have more water, and then eventually flowers will start to grow on our plant. And these flowers, they still need sunlight, they still need watered, but flowers on a plant need bees as well. And bees will come, and there's something called pollen in our flowers. And the bees will take this pollen and put it on another flower, and that helps them grow. And so, after there are some plants that just have flowers, and that is all that they do. But other plants, after they have flowers, they grow fruit. So this is a picture of a pumpkin when it is before it's orange. So on a pumpkin vine, if we're talking about the life cycle of a pumpkin, we will have our vine and our plant. It will have flowers on it, and those flowers will eventually fall off, and fruit, or a pumpkin, will grow on the vine. And then that will continue to grow, and that's how we get pumpkins. So like I said, some plants will just stop at the flower stage. Okay, so some, like if you have a rose bush or daffodils, they don't produce any fruit, they just have flowers. But things like a tomato plant or a pumpkin plant, they produce fruit or vegetables or whatever they are growing. So that is the life cycle of a plant. And let me explain to you how this happens without someone planting a seed. So if we go back to the flower stage, flowers usually have seeds inside of them. So when the wind blows and this flower comes off the plant, or its seeds get shaken up and blown into the wind, those seeds will go and they get planted somewhere else. So they might fall on some soil 10 feet away, or the wind might carry them really far away, and those seeds will get planted in the soil, and the whole process will start all over again. And it is so cool how God created plants to do that, because we don't even need to plant them for some things to grow. Like God just enabled it to happen all by itself. Nature just does its thing, the wind blows, the seeds get planted, and it all just starts over again. And that is how cool our God is. So let's review how a plant starts. Do you remember? We have to plant a seed. The seed needs sunlight and water, and it grows into a sprout. And our sprout will grow into a seedling or just a plant. And then our seedling or plant will sprout flowers. And some plants stop there. But if it is a plant, a fruit or vegetable plant, after flowers comes the fruit or vegetable until it is ready to pick. Okay, and then it all starts over again because the seeds get blown in the wind or carried off somewhere, and they get replanted, and it all starts all over again. All right, and I hope that you enjoy the worksheets that you get to do this week all about plants. Okay, guys, have a great rest of your day.